How to turn on videos you might like notifications on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok, then open it. Then when you will open your TikTok, you will just go down to profile, click on it, open it, and then go to this three line, click on it, and then click on settings and privacy. Then when you open settings and privacy, go to notifications, go down, you will find video you may like. Now you have to turn on, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.